This is the homework video for Thursday, 9/29/16. It's lesson 5, number 4 in your homework packet. Sorry about that. Remember to use ink to correct your work, and remember that copying does not make you smarter. Please try it on your own before you watch the video. Turn the video off right now if you haven't tried it on your own. Okay, there are really 3 questions, so I put a 1, 2, and a 3 next to the bullets, so you can see the 3 questions. So publisher wants to find out how thick or wide their new book is going to be. The book has a front cover and a back cover, each of which have a width of 1/4. That's how thick the front and the back cover are. They have a choice of what type of paper to print the book on. So in situation 1, bond paper has a thickness of 1/4 inch per 100 pages. Write an expression for the width of the book if it has X hundred pages printed on bond paper. So first, I know that the front cover is 1/4 and the back cover is 1/4, and every 100 pages is 1/4 times the number of 100 pages, and that's equal to Y, the total width of the book. And then after I labeled all of these, and you need to do so too because we can't leave any equations unlabeled anymore, I simplified this expression. I could write it as y equals 1/2 plus 1/4 x, or I could write it as y equals 1/4 x plus 1/2. All I'm doing is switching things around, but I'm still keeping the 1/4 in front of the x and the 1/2 by itself. In number 2, it says that they're using paper that's 2/5 of an inch per 100 pages. And so I still have a 1/2 of an inch for the thickness of the front and back covers together. And now I have 2/5 of an inch for every 100 pages. And X represents the total number of hundreds. Again, that needs to be labeled. And in number 3, they're saying if they chose different front and back covers and now they had 1/3 of an inch thickness, how would this change the expressions in both number 1 and number 2? So 1/3 plus 1/3 is equal to 2/3. That is the front and the back cover together. So the total width is going to be equal to the front and the back cover added together plus 1/4 times however many 100 groups of 100 pages, and X, where X represents the number of hundreds. And in the second expression, where it was 2/5 of an inch, it's going to be 2/3 front and back cover together plus 2/5 times the number of hundreds of pages of bond paper that you have. These are the 2 expressions rewritten with different thicknesses for the front and the back cover. And that's all, and I hope you have a great night. It was the last night of the homework for the week. Hope you gave it your best effort. See you tomorrow.